guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody is doing well. I'm doing well. I hope you guys are too. I hope everybody's staying safe and finding new ways to keep themselves busy. I just want to come on and do some makeup. I'm honestly I'm doing my makeup to go literally sit on the porch, me and my baby, and watch my husband cut the grass. Since it's such a beautiful day outside, I decided we could sit outside and chill and soak up some sun. But I just felt like I needed to do my makeup today. I haven't done my makeup in a while. I also haven't posted in a while, so that's that. But yeah, today I am using the new Colourpop, I believe it's pronounced Solstice palette. This is the palette. Well, you can't even really see the lettering because it's so light. You can only get this 9-pan from Ulta because we all know Colourpop is currently not shipping out orders. But they do sell some of their products on Ulta's website. So that is where I picked this up. This 9-pan retails for $14 if I'm not mistaken. I did not pay for this palette. I used my points, so it was free. Gotta love those points. I am a diamond member, so I have a lot of points. So yeah, I just wanted to play with this palette today since I just got it in. I'm kind of bored and I just felt like creating a look. I'm not entirely sure if I'm sold on this look, but it does look kind of cute and it'll do for today's sun porch vibes. Anyway, I will be inserting swatches of all of these shades, either right here I'll insert some swatches or right before I start my tutorial. Anyway, back to the palette itself. I am a little disappointed in this palette only because online the shades did look just a slight bit darker in comparison to what you got in person. This isn't the most brown girl friendly palette. However, anything can be brown girl friendly if we put our minds to it. So I did have to do some tweaking, obviously. However, the quality of the shadows are still of Colourpop standards. These are really pretty shades. They're just not, if you're looking for something, this is actually a good everyday palette. If you really like wearing pinks and those pinky browns, this is a good everyday palette. To deepen it up, obviously I had to use some other shades. I did dip into my Colourpop single pan palette that I created to get the deeper shade that you see for the cut crease. But yeah, other than that, it's not a bad palette. I just wish that the shades were just a little bit deeper like how I've seen them online, but they can't all be winners. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and insert a picture of the shades swatched with no primer, and then we're just gonna jump right into the tutorial.